Good day, greetings from Eview Global Private Limited. In this short presentation we will take you through the product and services we provide, and how it is going to benefit your organization. Eview has received 9 national awards from CII, and 2 awards from ET Now. We are in the business of increasing your profits, by reducing your carbon footprints. The process is imprinted in our name. Energy efficiency reduces carbon footprints by reducing your power consumption. Viability of solution, making it a perfect fit for your requirement, thus reducing wastage. Independent from human intervention. This allows efficient utilization of human resources, removing them from repetitive nature of jobs, with efficient utilization elsewhere. Ease of operation resulting to further cost reduction. Wireless touchless, automated asset management and control, with customized reports, which is automation without the need to revisit that operation again, and take benefit from it constantly. We achieve this through daylight saving and air circulation. Automation to take benefit of daylight saving is added. Adding to this, using wireless, touchless, automation through radio frequency and Wi-Fi, by use of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. Let me briefly explain what daylight harvesting is, also commonly known as daylighting. Architects design any building, factory, warehouse etc. mainly with visual comfort, by incorporating daylighting in their design. This reduces power consumption by reduction in use of artificial lights. Daylighting provides good internal light, if designed properly. Daylighting is bringing natural light through windows, doors, ventilators etc. Now specially designed units to bring daylight inside a closed space are also used. Automatically dimming, or switching off lights, in response of daylight, optimizes saving. The adverse effects of static light, which is the main cause of light pollution, is reduced or eliminated. Very little is known about light pollution, which has an adverse effect on our health in medium and long term. Eview manufactures specially designed units to bring daylight, inside the factories, warehouses, workshops etc., where daylight cannot normally reach, or is not sufficient. For designing a daylighting unit, which is best suited for any requirement, we consider the following factors. BEE recommended lux level, which is based on the nature of work performed in that area. Minimum and maximum height, total length, along with the width, and a few more parameters of the shed, where daylighting is considered. Design of the roof shed is a major point for consideration. The design can be north lighting shed, conventional or reverse V design, dome-shaped, or the single pitch with one side slope. This is important to understand where and how the lights are to be fixed and how the diffusion of light will happen. We also need to consider if there is false ceiling inside or puff insulation fixed. The type of false ceiling details. If no false ceiling, the model changes. Roof type like standing seam and puff panels need to be known beforehand for customizations of the products accordingly. Further details of storage racks in case warehouses, with height and layout to be known, layout of the machines on the shop floor, overhead crane details, so as to not obstruct it during operations and maintenance, and other similar details. We check the sunlight hours for past few years in that region across all seasons to factor in the daylight variations during the year. Zero leakage installation is our topmost priority. We take the detailed roof dimensions to ensure a perfect fit roof adapter is manufactured. We take the details of the roof profile. We prefer being supplied with a big enough sample of the roof profile so as to use it to make the mold for making the roof adapter. Based on the above, we recommend the models, customize it to the extent necessarily required to do so. Details of few models with features are explained. Now we present to you our most advanced daylighting product, called Brilantor. It is recommended for sheds of height of 11 meters and above, and required to be brightly lit. We now present to you the unique features and advantages of Brilantor. The size of Brilantor is 4,000 millimeters in length, 600 millimeters in width, and 300 millimeters in height. The size can be compared with the people standing next to it. Brilantor consists of a UV stabilized, jointless dome, molded with universal fixing arrangement, to ensure no leakages occur. The fixing also used EPDM rubber. There is a top and bottom connector to ensure that the unit is sealed from all sides, and water does not enter through the unit. As the height is only 300 millimeters, the effect is minimum during high wind velocities and during storm etc. Once Brilantor is installed, the light is evenly spread out throughout the shed, without any dark patches as evident in this picture. There are 240 plus diamond-shaped prismatic lenses along both sides of the dome. This enhances the illumination inside the shed. Brilantor is the only unit among daylighting models, which comes with a safety grille. It is designed to meet all required safety standards. There are reflective rings of 95% plus reflective value, which reflects the light down through the diffuser. It further enhances the illumination on the shop floor. Brilantor can easily replace the existing transparent sheets, and is the best option for new projects. Transparent sheets gets yellow in short period of time as it is flat. It is also a cause of concern for leakages. It has the largest, UV stabilized, diffuser size across all daylight models. Diffuser size depends on the roof type. I now present Skypipe, which is fixed on false ceiling areas. The size options we offer starts from 300 mm to 750 mm, depending on site conditions, roof type, and viability. Skypipe is made of UV stabilized prismatic dome and diffuser. We have a range of diffusers for different requirements. Tubing has 95% to 99.9% reflective value. There is no heat from Skypipe. It has a higher coverage area, with roof profile matching adapter. This slide shows the effect of Skypipe in false ceiling areas. It totally changes the outlook of the entire area under false ceiling. Lightball is used for areas where there is no false ceiling. Our regular standard size range is from 300 mm to 1200 mm. We can go up to 1850 mm if required. The features of Lightball is similar to that of Skypipe, with two major differences. 1. It has shorter tube, since there is no false ceiling. Second is that the size range is much wider. The material used is common for both. Ideal for warehouses with racks. Lightball is ideal for sheds with height up to 11 meters. For those who want this circular tubular models only, for their sheds with height of over 11 meters we can offer a suitable size and model to get the illumination required. The illumination as compared to competitive models is much higher and cooler. Please note that for shed height of over 11 meters we recommend our most advanced model, Brilantor. We offer Lightball as a combo with turbo wind-driven ventilators, to avoid multiple roof openings. These are subject to site conditions which we confirm after getting the site details. The size offered of Lightball with combo is from 300 mm to 750 mm. The combo design is unique since it does not allow water and dust seeping through the fins of turbo to the shop floor. It is arrested on the rooftop itself. Lightball combo gives daylight and air circulation from one unit. It has all the advantages of the Lightball with added feature of wind-driven turbo ventilators. Working of Skypipe and Lightball, for daylighting. The dome is placed on the top, collects the light. It is also commonly referred to as light collector. The light that passes through the dome, due to its prism-like effect, the light bends down and hits the reflective tube. The tube reflects the light further down to the diffuser. The diffuser then diffuses the light evenly towards the shop floor in all direction without any incremental heat. All the models discussed are fixed on the rooftop. For side walls made of metal sheet, we offer polycarbonate louvers. It helps add to daylighting along with air circulation. It is a must for all factories and warehouses, as it is responsible for air change, along with or even without the turbo ventilators placed on the roof. Here is an example of daylighting on RCC roofs. If the curb and opening is made as per our drawing, you can see the effect of daylighting inside the building. This is a hospital passage, where we were asked to make daylighting provisions for patients to have daylight. We also undertake daylighting for underground parking as seen in the picture, if the provisions in form of curb and opening is made available as per our drawing. Here is a representation as to how our units have changed the quality and illumination of a shed. First picture shows the shed with transparent sheets. Next picture shows the trial of our installation with transparent sheets. The last slide shows the transparent sheets have been removed and replaced with our lights. The difference and transition is clearly evident. Our trained and professional installation team uses all personal safety kits as mandated in safety manuals. Safety is our topmost priority. The transparent sheets gets covered with dust and is not visible. This is a cause of many serious and fatal accidents, as workers working on the rooftop do not see the transparent sheet, step over it, and fall. Since the daylighting units are visible from far, it reduces and eliminates accidents. Our daylighting units do not require any, or require minimal maintenance, and has a very long life. Here are some real pictures of before and after installation. You can observe the difference. These are some real pictures of Brilantor installations across India. Some more real pictures of our completed projects across India. Daylight provides many health benefits to us, like maintaining hormonal balance, providing vitamin D and so on. There is a long list of critical illnesses which are caused by lack of sunlight, which can be eliminated by installation of daylighting units from Eview. Eview has completed over 600 projects till date and is the leading daylighting and air change or air circulation providers in India. The products are designed and manufactured in India. We have in our list of customers most of the major organizations operating in India. It is only due to our product quality and after-sales service that we have become the most favored service provider for daylighting and air circulation. In the public sector we have organizations like BEL, HAL, Indian Railways, ONGC, IOCL, and many more. In private sector we have done projects for organizations like Unilever, Tata, Bajaj, Bosch, Sula Wines, Mahindra, and many more. We also provide smart energy management and control system using two-way communication radio frequency, to manage and control your utilities like energy, water, gas, and so on. It is a touchless range packaged on our range known as a Sparsh. The details are in a separate presentation. We can be contacted at the contact numbers and mail IDs given in this slide. Alternatively, you can also contact Rajiv at rajiv@eviewglobal.com or call or WhatsApp at 976-942-1112. For more details visit our website www.eviewglobal.com. Thank you for your time and looking forward to work for you.